10 essential actions that you need to do to be sure you survive bugging in. That is what we are talking about today. I know a lot of you are wanting to bug in, believe that that is your pretty much only recourse should something happen. And so these are 10 essential things you need to do if this is what you are deciding to do is bug in. Hello, I'm Nikki. Welcome to Off Grid Style. Let's find out what those 10 items are. 10 essential actions for survival when SHTF. When facing a serious crisis, like a natural disaster or societal breakdown, the decision to bug in or stay at home can be a strategic choice for survival. Bugging in requires careful planning and proactive measures to ensure the safety and well-being of yourself and your loved ones. In this video, I'm going to outline 10 crucial actions to take when bugging in during an SHTF scenario. Secure your home. The first priority when bugging in is fortifying your home. Secure all entry points, reinforce doors and windows, and consider investing in security measures like sturdy locks and window bars. Make your home a fortress against potential threats. Stockpile those essential supplies. Build a well-rounded stockpile of essential supplies to sustain you through an extended period. This includes, of course, non-perishable food items, water, medications, hygiene products, and other necessities. Plan for at least a 30-day supply of all of that to weather potential disruptions. Create a communication plan. Establish a reliable communication plan with family members or anyone you're bugging in with. Ensure you have alternative communication methods like radios or walkie-talkies, as conventional communication channels may be compromised. Emergency power and lighting. Prepare for power outages by having alternative sources of energy. Invest in generators and solar panels or portable power banks. Additionally, stock up on flashlights, lanterns, and candles to provide adequate lighting during blackouts. First aid and medical supplies. Assemble a comprehensive first aid kit that includes essential medical supplies. Stock up on prescription medications, bandages, antiseptics, and any necessary medical equipment. Consider even taking a basic first aid course and medical training to enhance your skills. Water filtration and purification. Ensure a safe and sustainable water supply by having water filtration and purification systems. This could include water filters, purification tablets, or even DIY methods like boiling the water. Clean water is vital for hydration, for cooking, and sanitation. Maintain a low profile. In an SHTF scenario, it's essential to keep a low profile to avoid drawing unnecessary attention. Minimize noise, avoid unnecessary outdoor activities, and be cautious about revealing the extent of your resources to anyone else. Create a bug-out plan. While bugging in is, of course, the primary strategy, circumstances may arise that you have to evacuate. Develop a bug-out plan that includes routes, destinations, and essential items to take with you in case leaving your home becomes imperative. Stay informed. Stay updated on the evolving situation by monitoring news sources, emergency broadcasts, and relevant information channels. Knowledge is a powerful asset in navigating the challenges of a crisis, allowing you to make more informed decisions. Build community and support. Strengthen your support network by connecting with neighbors and like-minded individuals in your community. Building these alliances can help provide mutual assistance and enhance overall resilience. A cooperative community is better equipped to face challenges collectively. Well, I hope you liked the video. Please share your thoughts with me. You know I always want to hear from you, and I will always try to answer back. This video has been chosen specifically for you based on your viewer history. YouTube says this is the one that you would most be interested in watching, so if you do me a favor, go ahead and click on it and watch it. Thanks very much.